Good medical morning. This is Watson with the bonus video for you this week. Go ahead and click like if you think we should post more bonus videos. Today's video includes the top 5 bizarre medical conditions we have from Instagram and Facebook. First, we have what was submitted as a giant blackhead. Comment below, is this a dilated pore of Weiner or a blackhead? Next up is an incredible image. A fan submitted to me as if it was real. Click like if you agree that it's totally fake. Number 3 is an incredible opportunity for anyone with a bizarre medical condition who can't get help. There's a new documentary series that will help individuals who've been afflicted by life-altering conditions and have not sought proper medical treatment because of fear, lack of insurance, or financial needs to afford care. And they'll cover all costs. Just click the link below for potentially free treatment. Wow. Next up appears to be a keratin-filled epidermoid cyst being excised by a medical professional. Lastly is a rare case of crusted scabies. Scabies is an itchy skin condition caused by a tiny burrowing mite. Intense itching occurs in the area where the mite burrows. The urge to scratch may be especially strong at night. Scabies is contagious and can spread quickly through close physical contact in a family, child care group, school class, nursing home, or prison. Because scabies is so contagious, doctors often recommend treatment for entire families or contact groups. Again, if you need life-altering medical treatment, check out the link below. It's an amazing project and the link could change your life. Don't forget to check out our favorite blemish removal toolkit. This beautiful 7-piece set is available on Amazon and will fulfill all your popping needs. It has a lancet for big jobs, a spade for those hard-to-reach corners, the cone extractor for big jobs, and loops of various sizes. This kit has everything you need to start popping like a pro. Each one has been hand-inspected for quality, and the case keeps them stylish and discreet. Don't be fooled by flimsy, low-end knockoffs. Pick up yours today by using the Amazon link below. Thanks for watching.